I told you the vibe's good. Ria, now it's unboxing time.
Yay!
What's up guys, hope you are doing great and welcome back to another video. Right now it's 6 o'clock and me and Ria are going to go train in a society gym down and it's getting late, so I'm gonna see you there. So basically we are training in my society gym just because the vibe is different and yeah. I told you the vibe's good. Comment down below if you like the lighting.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
How was your workout?
Great.
How was the vibe overall?
Amazing. Love the lighting.
Yeah, now you are switching it off, so. Yeah, chill. You took everything?
I hope.
I didn't register.
But that looks so good.
Voyage, right?
Yeah.
Ria, now it's unboxing time.
Yay!
Come on. What are we gonna unbox?
We're gonna unbox my new Biozyme whey protein, and I'm very excited.
And we are gonna make a B-roll.
Yes. And I
And
hope it tastes good.
ice cream chocolate
Ice cream
flavor.
chocolate.
Yeah.
Wow.
Cool. Let's go up fast. Run.
Yay.
Run.
I'll just go change, then we can unbox.
Where is it?
It's in the room.
Go get it now fast.
Now?
Yeah, fast. It's
My
come.
baby. Get something.
This order is for her, not for me. I'll tell you first only. But still, I'm very excited.
Yay.
Are you excited?
I can't wait.
Get the scissor. Get the scissor fast. I don't know how to open. You start.
Okay. So we'll start.
Just open it like that, no?
Wait. We have to be patient. This moment will never come again.
After 1 month, 2 months.
No, first time.
Huh.
1 month. Hopefully next time it will be free.
Yeah. Don't tell them.
Oh, sorry. You wanna do this
Nothing
one?
happened.
You wanna do this one?
I said.
संभाल के don't. अरे hello, थोड़ा यहाँ से start करना. If it's weaker there.
Open.
Yay! Pull.
Remove.
Oh my god, it's too heavy.
It's 2 kgs. I'll hold the box. Wait, huh. Oh, open. Insane. Best thing.
You
Just
want?
look at it. Yeah. You take mine. The smell.
Yeah.
Smell it.
It's too good. B-roll in 3,
2.
1. B-roll in 3,
2.
1.
No, I'm not gonna show that.
Yeah.